Is it really possible for a beginner to make money with a blog? Can you make a living out of blogging, or is it just another myth? The answer to both questions is yes. Blogging for money is not a theoretical concept, but it's a reality. Anyone with some basic knowledge of blogging, SEO, and a general idea on how the internet works can start a blogging business and make money. Hopefully, this video will put you in the right direction from the very beginning and give you a solid plan to follow that will generate results in the fastest possible way. So I'm giving you 7 steps to follow to make money with blogging. Step number 1 is set up your own self-hosted blog. Set up your blog with the right hosting in the right platform, and by far the best place for you to get started is WordPress. There are some other options out there like Wix and Squarespace, but the problem with those is those websites are more geared to standalone stagnant websites like a personal portfolio or resume. They are really not that great when it comes to getting continuous blog traffic coming in over time to your blog and having continually updated posts. They're just not optimized for that. What's going to end up happening if you start with Squarespace or Wix is you're going to end up going back to WordPress anyway, so just start there. The next step will be hosting your WordPress website, and Bluehost has been the #1 recommended hosting service for their platform for almost 10 years. Step number 2 is start publishing great content. A blog with no content is nothing. A blog with mediocre content is just another blog in millions of already published blogs. A blog with great content is a money-making business. It's not enough to be passionate about a topic, others should be too. Remember that in order to make money from your blog, you will need people to buy your products or advertisers to pay money for your ad space. If your selected topic does not have a decent audience, none of that will happen. The easiest way to do a preliminary search as to the potential of your niche is to open Google and search for phrases that come in mind. Look for the number of results and types of websites that appear in the first pages of Google. Step number 3 is building organic traffic to your blog. To make money from your blog, we need organic traffic and not just traffic in general. Organic traffic is generated from search engines, mostly Google. Targeted organic traffic is the most valuable source of traffic for your blog because it's the traffic that converts. There are a lot of ways to get readers to your blog. There's Pinterest, Facebook, Google, SEO, YouTube, Instagram, guest blogging, email drops, forums, Snapchat, and a dozen more. It will be easy for you to get started with just one traffic source. What ends up happening with most people is when they try to be everywhere, they usually end up sucking at everything. That's why it's recommended to try to, instead of sucking at everything, master one. Step number 4 is building a community around your brand. A common mistake that beginners make is to skip this step and go directly to the money-making part, but this is not the most efficient way. Before making any sales, you first need to gain users' trust, and this is achieved through community building. In simple terms, what you are trying to do is create a community of people that will follow your blog, interact with your content, and buy your products or services. Some of the most common ways to do this is through email marketing, where people that subscribe to your email list are a valuable asset to your blog. You can use your email list to inform your community when new content is available on your blog, to ask for their feedback, and to sell them products or services. And social media networking. Here, your goal is to ensure that you have a social presence in the same channels as your potential followers. So, the final step is start making money. Before getting into the making money part, it's important for you that you follow the previously mentioned steps carefully, then only you will be able to make money from your blogs. Main methods of making money from blogs are selling ads, where you add AdSense to your blog, and when people click on one of your ads, you get 68% of the money paid by the advertiser, and the remaining 32% goes to Google for providing this service. And selling your own products or services. If you don't want that the money paid by the advertiser should go to Google, you should consider creating and selling your own products or services. The easiest type of products to create and sell online through your blogs are ebooks and online courses. And the next method is affiliate marketing, where first you find products you want to promote, you enroll in their affiliate marketing program, and you get a unique link and banners to use, and then you add the banners or links in your blog. When someone clicks on the links, they are redirected to the website of the provider, and when they make a purchase, you get the agreed commission. So in this way, you can make a living out of blogging or make it a side gig. Thousands of other bloggers are also making money through their blogs, either by selling ad space, their own products or services, or through affiliate marketing. Everyone can use a blog to make money online. The amount of money you will make depends on the amount of work you are willing to allocate to make it happen. If you think this video helped you, then please like and share this video, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe our channel. Thank you.